My lovely people, welcome to my channel. We would be making pancakes today. Now before we continue, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you would love to see me again. For this, we would need 3 large eggs, 3 cups of flour, sugar, some salts, and all for frying. Now break your eggs inside the flour. Oh shit, it's not working. Now mix the whole ingredients together. Looks beautiful, right? Now let's add some milkshake. Sometimes I do add some wheat, but it depends on the mood. I decided to cut some unnecessary part of the video. Here's the final outcome. Rate me, guys. Do you like your pancakes deep fried or light fried? Write on the comment section. And please, don't forget to subscribe.